People, welcome to Main TV, your TV. Thank you for tuning in with us this afternoon. Remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember to subscribe to the channel, hit that post notification bell. Coming up in today's newscast, serial rapist hid in Jamaica for 11 years. People, a 71-year-old American man who hid himself in Jamaica for more than a decade to avoid child molestation charges has been deported to his homeland after he was captured last week in St. James. Charles Rainey is accused of molesting a girl under the age of 16 in Georgia back in 2010. Investigations led to him being charged for child molestation and sexual battery. However, he did not show up for his scheduled court in July 2011, hence a benchmark was issued for his arrest. After his arrest in Norwood, St. James last week, Rainey reportedly admitted to authorities that he had overstayed his visa issued in 2011 that was only good for 6 months. Rainey was captured in a raid carried out by members of the Lottery Scam Task Force Fugitive Apprehension Team, Counterterrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch, and of course the United States Marshals Service. He was deported to Georgia last Friday, November 18. Rainey is being held in the Paulding County Jail without bond. Persons who may have been victimized by Rainey are being encouraged to contact detectives at 770-443-3010 or of course send a tip to the police department. People, thank you for listening. Thank you for subscribing. Run up the channel, share, comment, tell a friend to tell a friend, and of course I'll see you in another upload. Main TV, your TV.